You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's see how to pronounce this word in Spanish. How do you say video in Spanish? Video. It's generally pronounced with a V like a B. Some accents or some countries may pronounce it with a bit more of a V sound, but generally the V is pronounced like a B in Spanish. So video, video, with a stress on the first syllable, video. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.